Check out 25 incredible Amazon home cleaning tools that'll make tidying up faster, easier, and more efficient. Links in the description below.
This cordless electric spin scrubber simplifies cleaning tasks in bathrooms, kitchens, and beyond. Equipped with an LED display, it offers clear power indicators, and its 4 interchangeable brush heads tackle grime in every corner. Lightweight and rechargeable, it delivers powerful cleaning with minimal effort, making it a must-have for modern households. Transform your drill into a cleaning machine with the Holocmy brush attachment set. This 6-piece kit features durable bristles and an extended attachment for deep cleaning grout, tubs, tiles, and more. Designed for versatility and efficiency, it's perfect for tackling stubborn stains and restoring surfaces to their original shine. Compact yet powerful, the Bizzle Little Green Cleaner is designed for tough messes on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. It includes exclusive specialty tools to tackle spots and stains effectively. With its lightweight design and strong suction, it's a versatile tool for deep cleaning and quick touch-ups. The iRobot Roomba combines intelligence and power to keep your floors pristine. Featuring an auto-empty dock, advanced floor tracking sensors, and 3 adjustable suction levels, it navigates effortlessly around furniture and cleans various floor types. Its compact design makes it a perfect fit for busy homes looking for hassle-free cleanliness. The 300 CU Steam Mop offers a powerful 1,500-watt steam system for deep cleaning. It's ideal for tile, hardwood, and carpeted floors, featuring a fast heat-up time and a 180-degree swivel head to access tricky corners. With 2 microfiber pads included, it provides an eco-friendly, chemical-free cleaning solution for spotless surfaces throughout your home. Sweep smarter with this efficient broom and dustpan combo. The angled broom head reaches into tight corners, while the durable, ergonomic dustpan locks into place for easy debris disposal. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use, this set is perfect for homes, offices, and beyond. Say goodbye to backaches and soggy hands with the Simply Magic Spin Mop System. Featuring 3 microfiber mop heads, it effortlessly cleans hard floors while keeping your hands dry. Its spinning mechanism ensures thorough cleaning with minimal effort, making it a household essential. This versatile scrub brush features a 57.8-inch handle and a 120-degree rotatable head for hard-to-reach areas. Its V-shaped bristles are perfect for cleaning grout lines, corners, and narrow spaces. Sturdy and adjustable, it's ideal for tackling tough messes in bathrooms, kitchens, and more. The Turbo Microfiber Mop combines functionality and convenience for an efficient cleaning experience. Its 18-inch dust mop head and 360-degree swivel make it easy to clean large areas and tight spaces. With 4 reusable pads, it's eco-friendly and effective on hardwood and tile floors. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber takes the effort out of cleaning. Its cordless, water-resistant design and interchangeable heads make it perfect for grout, tiles, and hard-to-reach areas. Scrubbing twice as fast as manual methods, this tool ensures a thorough clean while saving you time and effort. The Dyson Vive 15 Detect sets a new standard for cleaning. Its laser technology highlights microscopic dust, while powerful suction effortlessly picks up dirt and pet hair. With a cordless design and advanced filtration, it's perfect for keeping all floor types clean and allergen-free. Simplify organization with the Copco Lazy Susan. This 9-inch non-skid turntable provides easy access to spices, condiments, and supplies. Durable and stylish, it fits seamlessly into cabinets, pantries, or countertops, keeping your kitchen tidy and efficient. Revitalize your skin with these heavy exfoliating gloves. Ideal for shower use, they remove dead skin, unclog pores, and promote smoother, healthier skin. Durable and comfortable, these gloves are a great addition to your self-care routine, suitable for all skin types. Pet owners rejoice. This adjustable carpet rake features a large metal lint remover brush to eliminate embedded pet hair from carpets, rugs, and stairs. Reusable and durable, it's designed to tackle fur and lint with ease, leaving your surfaces clean and refreshed. Scrub Daddy sponges are the perfect cleaning companions for your home. Their unique polymer foam design changes texture with water temperature, soft in warm water and firm in cold. Scratch-free and durable, they're great for cleaning dishes, countertops, and even delicate surfaces. The UFI X8 Pro redefines robotic cleaning. Featuring twin turbines for powerful suction, a detangling roller brush, and laser-guided navigation, it handles pet hair and debris with ease. Designed for convenience, it maps your space and cleans efficiently for a spotless home. Clean windows effortlessly with the Tyroler Magnetic Window Cleaner. Ideal for single-glazed glass, it cleans both sides simultaneously. Equipped with a 3M anti-fall rope, it offers safety and precision, making window cleaning faster and easier than ever. Replace wasteful sponges with the Crown Choice Scrubbers. Made for dishes, pots, and surfaces, they're tough on grime but gentle on finishes. Reusable and durable, these scrubbers are a practical and eco-friendly cleaning solution. Prevent drain clogs with the Tub Shroom Ultra. This innovative hair catcher fits standard drains and traps hair without disrupting water flow. Made of stainless steel, it's easy to clean and maintain, making bathroom upkeep a breeze. This cordless spin scrubber makes deep cleaning simple. With 8 interchangeable brush heads, adjustable speeds, and a long handle, it's perfect for tiles, tubs, and even cars. Its waterproof design ensures durability for all your cleaning needs. Eco-friendly and cost-effective, these bamboo paper towels are reusable and super absorbent. One roll replaces months of disposable towels, helping reduce waste while offering excellent cleaning power. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and general household use. The Hibint 3-in-1 strainer and stopper combo is a game changer for your sink. Made of chrome stainless steel, it prevents clogs while functioning as a stopper when needed. Its foldable handle ensures easy removal and cleaning, fitting standard drains. Keep your sink fresh and clean with Rejuvenate's lemon-scented disposer pods. They break down food particles, eliminate odors, and clean pipes with ease. Each pod is easy to use and delivers a fresh citrus scent for a cleaner kitchen. Achieve a superior clean with the O-Cedar Pro Mist Max. This double-sided microfiber spray mop removes over 99% of bacteria using only water. The ergonomic design and swivel head make cleaning quick and efficient, perfect for hardwood and tile floors. The Shark Cyclone Pet handheld vacuum is a compact powerhouse for pet owners. With hypervelocity suction, an 8-inch crevice tool, and lightweight design, it's perfect for removing pet hair and debris from furniture, stairs, and cars. Durable and efficient, it's a cleaning essential.